Welcome to Slow English Podcast for Arabs. Today, we will talk about something very simple but very powerful. Small talk. Yes, small talk. It looks easy, but many people feel nervous when they try it. Let me ask you something. Have you ever met someone and didn't know what to say? You just smile and stay quiet? Don't worry, you are not alone. Small talk is short, simple conversation. We use it every day, with friends, with coworkers, even with strangers. It is not deep. It is not serious. It is just connection. If you're afraid to speak English, this story might change everything. It was 7 a.m. The alarm was silent, and Adam was still sleeping. 7:10, 7:15, 7:20. Suddenly, his eyes opened. Oh my God, I'm late. He jumped out of bed, ran to the bathroom, splashed cold water on his face, trying to wake up. No time, no time. He got dressed very fast. Didn't even look in the mirror and rushed outside. He entered a small cafeteria. Breathing fast, still half asleep. He walked to the counter. Good morning. The cashier smiled. Good morning. What can I get you? Good morning. What can I get you? Just a coffee, please. Quickly. Just a coffee, please. Quickly. Sure, one coffee. Sure, one coffee. Adam looked at his watch. 7:25. He sat next to someone, trying to stay calm. But inside, he was stressed. The man next to him said, "Busy morning?" Adam forced a smile. Yeah, very busy. I'm late for work. Yeah, very busy. I'm late for work. The man laughed. First day? Adam looked surprised. Yeah, how did you know? Yeah, how did you know? Because you look nervous. Because you look nervous. Adam smiled. Just a little. just a little. He took one sip of coffee, just one. I can't go to work without coffee. But there was no time. I can't go to work without coffee. But there was no time. He stood up quickly. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. You too, and good luck. You too, and good luck. Adam ran fast. Heart beating. He arrived, but it was too late. Excuse me, the train to downtown? Excuse me, the train to downtown? The worker said, Sorry, sir, it just left. Sorry, sir, it just left. Oh no, what should I do? He looked around, thinking fast. Taxi, yes, taxi. He saw a woman nearby. Excuse me, where can I find a taxi? Excuse me, where can I find a taxi? She pointed. Over there, near the corner. Over there, near the corner. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. He ran again, faster this time. He opened the door. Please, I need to get to downtown. It's urgent. Please, I need to get to downtown. It's urgent. Driver. Relax, I'll get you there. Relax, I'll get you there. Adam. Thank you. It's my first day at work. Thank you. It's my first day at work. Driver smiled. Don't worry, we'll make it. Don't worry, we'll make it. Adam looked outside, still nervous, but hopeful. The taxi stopped. We're here. We're here. Adam looked outside. A tall building. People walking in. Confident, calm. Not like him. He paid quickly. Thank you. Really. Thank you. Really. Driver smiled. Good luck. First days are always hard. Good luck. First days are always hard. Adam took a deep breath. Okay, let's do this. He walked in. A receptionist looked at him. Good morning. How can I help you? Good morning. How can I help you? Good morning. I'm new here. It's my first day. Good morning. I'm new here. It's my first day. She smiled. Welcome. What's your name? Welcome. What's your name? I'm Adam. She checked her computer. Ah, yes, Adam. You're expected. Ah, yes, Adam. You're expected. Expected. That word made him nervous and excited. Take the elevator, 3rd floor. Take the elevator, 3rd floor. Thank you. 2 people were inside. Silence. Adam looked at the. This is a moment. A small talk moment. Good morning. They smiled. Good morning. One of them asked, First day? Adam laughed softly. Yeah, is it that obvious? Yeah, is it that obvious? Just a little. Everyone laughed. And suddenly, it felt easier. The door opened. A man walked toward him. Hi, you must be Adam. Hi, you must be Adam. Adam. Yes, nice to meet you. Yes, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. I'm David. Nice to meet you too. I'm David. Handshake. Strong, but friendly. Welcome to the team. Welcome to the team. Thank you. I'm excited to be here. Thank you. I'm excited to be here. David smiled. Don't worry, we all start somewhere. Don't worry, we all start somewhere. Adam sat at his desk. A coworker turned to him. Hey, I'm Sarah. Hey, I'm Sarah. Adam. Hi, Sarah. I'm Adam. Hi, Sarah. I'm Adam. She smiled. Where are you from? Where are you from? Adam. I'm from Saudi Arabia. I'm from Saudi Arabia. Oh, nice. Welcome. Oh, nice. Welcome. Thank you. Small talk. Again, simple but powerful. Later, Sarah said, "Do you want coffee? Do you want coffee?" Adam smiled, always. They walked together, slow steps, relaxed. Sarah. So, how's your first day? So, how's your first day? Adam. A bit stressful, but good. A bit stressful, but good. She laughed. That's normal. That's normal. Adam looked at his coffee. This time he had time to drink it. At the end of the day, Adam sat quietly. He remembered the morning. The stress, the running, the fear. And now he was calm. Because he understood something important. You don't need perfect English. You don't need long sentences. You just need to start. One sentence can change your day. One small talk can open a door. So tomorrow, don't stay silent. Speak.